Hello everyone, welcome to Exam Dost, my dear friends. I am back again with another job update for all of you, and this is coming from SJVN Limited. So SJVN is a mini Ratna, a central public sector enterprise under Ministry of Power, Government of India, incorporated on May 24, 1988 under the venture of Government of India and a joint venture of Government of Himachal Pradesh. Now, it is working in the hydro project. So the hydro project of 5097 megawatt have already been allotted by Arunachal Pradesh government to SJVN. Now they are inviting application for part-time basis, or you can say tenure basis or temporary basis. Okay, so it is a contractual kind of a job for a period of 3 years, and it can be extended to 2 more years based on the requirement. So minimum 3 years and a maximum period of 5 years upon the basis of work performance and the requirement of the company. Okay. Now, how many vacancies are there? In civil field engineer, 75 vacancies, mechanical field engineer, 10 vacancies, electrical field engineer, 15 vacancies, environmental, 5, human resource, 8, finance, 10, IT, 5, OL2, PR2, law, 7, geology, 7, safety, 4, and architecture is 3. Now, what is the percentage of marks? Percentage of marks is 50% for CA, SC, ST, PWD, and 55% marks for the unreserved category. Okay, 55 marks for the other 55%. Now, the requirement is a full-time degree in electrical or triple E from a recognized university. So they are asking your percentage marks in your college. They are not asking for GATE score. They are not asking for a written test. The first eligibility criteria is on the basis of the marks that you have obtained in your college. That should be above 55% for other categories, but for SC, ST, PWBD it is 50%. Now the age limit, upper age limit is 30 years on the date of the advertisement, and the number of posts are tentative and that can be changed. The application will begin on 18th of September and they will close on 9th of October. So beta, this is better than whatever training, whatever other opportunities you get, because here you are actually getting at least 3 years of job, and that too in a government company, that too in a central public sector enterprise. So your resume will get highlighted, your profile would get improved, and the application start from 18th of September. So mark your calendar. If you are really interested in this opportunity, then definitely you can go ahead with it. 18th of September till 9th of October. So remember this, okay? And beta, if you are a candidate aspiring for GATE 24 or 25, you can become a part of our batches. Right now, we are providing you 30% discount on our Lakshya June batch. You just have to go to our app or website examdos.com, and there you have to apply the code ED30 on Lakshya June batch. We also have a power system comprehensive course coming up from 14th of September, on which you are getting 20% discount. So if you wish to study power system live with me, just go to that course and apply the code PS20 for batch ED30 and for power system PS20. And we also have an individual test series, that is the GATE Blaster test series. There you can get 10% discount using the code AnkitESE. If you still have any queries, then you just message us on our WhatsApp number 70890 We'll be happy to help you. So if you want to get in touch with me, if you have any query, or if you want to get to know about our website, app, our courses, you can always connect with us on our WhatsApp number. So that's it from my side. I hope you like this video. Make sure that you share this as much as possible so it reaches the people who are really in need of such kind of an opportunity. That's it from my side. I'll be signing off. Thank you.